This is going to be another short and sweet how-to project. From the factory, the Mustang came with these amber front turn signal assemblies. While they function perfectly fine, they stand out too much against the black paint. It's time to fix this eyesore once and for all. These new turn signal assemblies came from AmericanMuscle.com. The amber is now down to a minimum, with most of the assembly having a black color. This will blend in well to the front of the Mustang. This is a simple job and only requires one tool, a needle nose pliers. The rest can be done by hand. Start by raising the front of the Mustang so crawling underneath is much easier. This can be done with jack stands or ramps like I am using. Squeeze underneath the front to access the rear of the turn signals. Starting with the driver's side, remove the two bulbs from the old housing and tuck them up out of the way. Use the needle nose pliers to compress the two tabs on the side of the assembly. Now the assembly should pop off of the tabs. Work the assembly out from the bumper. Here's a side-by-side of the old assembly and the new assembly. Yeah, these new ones are so much better. There is a tab on the new assembly that needs to slide into the bumper. The bumper slot may need to be worked to allow the turn signal to slip in. Work the new assembly up and pop it onto the tabs. Now the assembly is securely mounted in place. Since these new assemblies have clear lenses, the old bulbs need to be replaced with amber ones. These new assemblies did come with amber bulbs, although I did not find them until after I had ordered the separate amber bulbs. I really need to do better at unboxing things. The new assembly has the bulbs spaced closer to each other than the old assemblies. Because of this, I had to install the large bulb first, then the peanut bulb, and then the connector for the peanut bulb. With the driver's side done, we can now move on to the passenger side. The process is the same, except there is a giant washer fluid reservoir in the way. There's always something to make things difficult. Just look at that new turn signal installed. Oh yeah, that's such a better look. This is Rooster, and this signal is fading out.